Hello, welcome back. In this section, we will discuss about scripting, C# programming basics, basic syntax of C# script, and basic data types. So in C#, so in Unity, in the assets section, we will create a new script. C# script we can create in Unity. JavaScript we can also use, but our main focus will be C# throughout the course. So we will create a C# script, and we can name the script. So for example, new script, and then we can open the script into our text editor. Usually MonoDevelop is the default text editor with Unity, but you can use Visual Studio text editor as well, or any other text editor. So in my case, this MonoDevelop editor is not fixed. So what we can do, we can go to our backend where this project lies. So in documents section of our system, we can see the Jumpu project. So we can double click on this folder, then assets, and then we can find our script over here. So we can open this script into our text editor, which is installed in our system. In my case, there is brackets, so I am opening this script into brackets. So these are the basic stepstones which Unity has already set for us. So on the top there are some libraries which are automatically imported into the script. So these libraries are for specific use within our programming script, and if we want to add some new library, then we can import that library like this: Unity Engine .UI, for example, the UI implementation, and a lot of other libraries like this. After this, there is a line, public class new script mono behavior. This is very important, and after this line, these curly braces, everything lies within these two curly braces. So we can remove this. For example, if we want to code from beginning, so we can remove this section and we can create our own functions. But these two functions are default functions which are very useful, and this first function, void start, is representing the start function of our game. So whatever we write over here, it will run in the beginning of the game, and if we write something in update function, it will update timely throughout the game as per we referred our programming as per our reference. So these are the basic syntax of C# script in Unity. So data types. There are some data types which we will use throughout the course. So first data type is bool or boolean. Some people say boolean. So for example, we are creating a bool variable, bool, like this. Then we have assigned a variable bool. That's very simple. Then if we want to add some value to this bool, we can simply type equal to, and we can do like this: false or true, because bool values are true or false. So the another data type is int data type. Int data type, we can type variable int or integers. and we can assign the value to integers. After that, there is a data type float, and we can name it like this, no problem, float example or anything, equal to, and float values are the values with decimals. So for example, there is 20.35, then this 0.35 value represents the decimal function, and this is a float value. After this, there is a data type of string as well, for example string your name, and then we can assign the value to a string, and string always written into inverted commas. So for example Ali Khan. So these are the basic data types of C# programming, and we are finishing this section right here, the basic syntax and the basic data types, and next section, next video we will proceed further. Thank you.